Hello everybody, hope you all are doing well. It's me Madhusudan. Today we Maitri Metallizing India are here to give you some of the important information about the cement plants. We come up with a new slogan for cement plants, that is save heat loss, save coal, save money and save the nature. How? By doing thermal spray aluminium coating. We Maitri Metallizing India has taken a new challenge, especially for cement plants. Prove, floor test, then make a bill. We offer a cutting edge technology for cement plants. A pure 99.5% of aluminium will be thermally sprayed on the preheater, cyclones, TAD, calciner, ducts, ESP cooler and other components. To reduce radiation losses, invariably reduce the coal consumption. Payback period that is calculated actually 12 months. You will get your money back. Good protection for components, extended lifespan, good price when compared to painting. The top most important, we don't require any shutdowns. Since we are carrying out this job in many of the cement plants in India under the guidance of senior most technocrats from various cement industries and chemical engineers, also metallurgy professors, we are able to prove temperature is getting reduced after thermal spray aluminium coating on preheater, cyclones, TAD, calciners, all these things components. Aluminium by its nature, thermal conductivity property, heat dissipation is very slow when compared to steel. The temperature evaporation will come down automatically by its nature. As per Stephen Boltzmann law, taking the emissivity factor through the pyrometer and K-type thermocouple, we could able to prove on the floor test heat loss getting saved. We Maitri Metallizing India offers 5 years of warranty on thermal spray aluminium coating, and as per IAS 5905, 15 years of life which the coating will come. Finally, Maitri Metallizing India is offering, we take a job from you and we will prove in the floor test. Then we make a bill. Then why are you waiting? Respected sirs, please do call for any technical information. We will be at your services all the time. We thank you once again. Yours sincerely, Madhusudan. Namaste.